Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be today we're going to be unboxing some Lego cards. Hashtag sponsor Sainsbury's for selling them. Let's get it. Okay, so, just put this on the mount. Right. Great. Get there. Okay. So, I already tried opening this, but then I thought to make this video. So let's just take this off. Come on, please. Come on. Okay, so we have the helicopter. We have the party clown, he's called. Mr. Party Clown. Hi, what doing? We have the Banshee. Banshee. Yeah, okay. We have the Butterfly Girl. Right there. Hi, what doing? Okay, let's open our second pack, which is going to be these, which I'm not sure what is in these. Okay, just hard to open. Oh, here. Okay, so. Oh no. This is hard. Oh no. Okay. We have the lifeguard. We have the king. And we have the intergalactic girl. Yep, right there. And we have the purple flower. Right there. Right there. Okay. Let's open pack 3. Let's put this rubbish at the side. Okay, grab this. Yep, open here. Okay, so we have the pretzel girl. I love pretzels. We have brick suit girl. Yeah, brick suit girl. We have ice skater. And we have mobile phone. Oh yeah. And we also now have, I'm not even sure, but okay, let's open you. Come on, open. Yeah, you. There. Okay. Wait, hold on, let me just try something. Okay, so we have the goblin. Wow, that looks really scary. That's not a normal goblin. We have the barn owl. Oh yeah, and we have the robot. Sorry, that was an accident. We have the barn owl and a clockwork robot. So barn owl, and we have a wizard. Just a lovely wizard. Nice beard, bro. Nice beard. 3 more left. You can see, guys, right here. Oh, let me just. 3 more left. So let's open this one. Oh, it's already open. Someone's opened it. Okay, just let's open it. That didn't need to pack it anyway. Now we have the gas station. It's a building. Yep. We have a clockwork robot, a double one. A double clockwork robot. I'll do a giveaway on some of these double ones. Just join the notifications, so subscribe and join me in Discord. Links in description. Well, not link, but the name. We have the goblin again, that's another giveaway. And we have the kickboxer. Die! No, get off my guy. Get off him. Now, we also have, what was it? Okay. Oh, look, we have a pencil. Lovely pencil. Was on my nose. Hello. Okay, so we got our pencil. We got our banana suit guy, which is really weird. How don't eat me? Eat me! Eat me! Get off him! Get off him, Mr. Banana. Scallywally pirate. We have him. Run! Hello. What doing? No, not you. I'm gonna kill. Do you listen? No, you don't. Goodbye. We hate you. Now, we have Minotaur. Yeah, Minotaur or something. Yep. Minotaur. Stop trying to kill him. Stop trying to kill you. I hate you, Minotaur. Now, we have, let me just, okay. Oops. Oh, I think we have some we don't have here. We have a rainforest frog, more like cutest frog. So nice, I love him. We have the zombie cheerleader. Hi, we'll play cheerleader. No, I do. Come on, guys. No, get off him. Now, we have the skydiver. Help! Yep, here we go, skydiver. Dead skydiver. And now we have a gourmet chef. Hello. So, hope you enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that like button, join the notification squad, and bye.